located the car?
Nothing.
I'm sorry. We'll keep searching, of course.
Do you think he's being dragged along by a current? And do you think they'll pick him up further along the coast?
It's a possibility. We've got officers looking, the Coast Guard. No one's found anything yet.
It's early, though, isn't it? I mean, it's only been a couple of hours.
4 hours. We'll keep looking. We should never give up hope. If you won't go to hospital, perhaps we can take you home. There's nothing you can do here.
I can help. I'll help with the search.
You've had a terrible experience. You need to get home. We'll call you if anything happens.
What about Janine?
The DI asked me to give you this. Anything you need, give us a call. We'll send our officer around first thing. Take a written statement.
I've already told them everything I know.
When you've recovered, when you feel up to it, we'll give you a call if we find anything.